Hello traders, this is Jeffrey with Ninjacators, and this is the next strategy in the Ninjacator Forex Strategy Series. In this Forex Strategy Series, all you have to do is add the Ninjacator indicators for any of these simple strategies so you can get an edge when you're trading. Whether you're new to trading or you're already experienced, these simple Forex strategies will make you a more profitable trader. Now today I'm going to show you the last strategy in my series, and it uses one of our custom price bars, the Ninjacator Volatility Renko bar, along with the supply and demand trader indicator. This strategy is great for Forex scalping, and the best part is it uses a very tight stop, so you can comfortably trade a full lot or even multiple lots. Let's go ahead and set up a chart and lay out the strategy. Now, first, a quick explanation about Renko bars. The most obvious difference between time bars and Renko bars is the reduced amount of noise. Trending price movement, as you can see on this chart here with Renko bars, is much easier to follow in real time. Renko bars originally were another kind of Japanese candle invention, and they're actually named after what they look like, a series of bricks. And the Japanese word for brick is renga or renko, okay? Now, a new bar or brick is created when price moves a specified amount, and choosing the right size for the instrument being traded gives us reliable areas of price reversal. Let's go ahead and set up a chart. Now we're going to start by opening any Forex pair chart. So we'll go ahead and start with this simple time chart. This is a 5-minute chart on the Euro USD, the Euro dollar. And then the first thing that we're going to do is choose the data series and select Ninjacator, which is the NJC Volatility Renko bar. So we select data series, change from minute bars to NJC Volatility Renko bars. And I like to use a body size of 33. But you can go ahead and choose any size you like and experiment, but go ahead and get started in a Forex pair with a 33 size bar, okay? And we'll go ahead and click OK, and you can see how immediately we get a nice switch over to these smooth bars. Now next we're going to add the supply and demand trader. So go ahead into your indicators, select supply demand trader, click and get it down there, and we're going to you can change it to whatever colors you like, and we'll probably use the intraday mode 1 or 2 when we're trading. Start out with either one of those, and you can toggle back and forth, okay? I don't like to see the historical zones, just the active zones. Let's go ahead and click OK. Oh, I think I forgot to make it visible. And there we go. Beautiful. Now, here's the strategy. Let me pull this down so you can copy it down as well, okay? You're going to look for bars to move toward a supply or demand zone first, like these bars moving right up to this nice supply zone. And then you're going to wait for a reversal bar and enter with one or more lots. So as this moves up, we get right to this area of the zone, the green up bar reverse to a red bar, and we're in. And we'll go ahead and ride that all the way down. You're going to set your stop behind the previous or the next bar or so. So you're going to start with your stop behind this bar, and then as it starts moving down, you're going to slowly move your stops down, okay? As the price reverses and it keeps moving in the direction of your trade, keep moving your stop behind the second or third bar back until you're stopped out. That's the whole strategy and trade strategy. Now, if you're at a reversal point, but price breaks through, then that's a continuation trade, okay? So you can look for the next bar on the breakthrough, the breach of the zone, as the zone disappears, okay? And as you get comfortable with this kind of a scalping trade, you can even set up your ATM to move your break even bar by bar and ride it all the way down. All right, now let's look at a couple of trades. Okay, let's go ahead and start the trade. And as soon as we get a supply zone printed here, we're thinking about going short. Probably could have gotten in right over here. Maybe a drop late, but let's go ahead and see how this trade does. So you can see that I pull my stop right down to a couple of ticks behind the second or third bar. And then as we watch this start to move down, I'll go ahead and move my stop loss and just trail those bars down. That's it. And as we breach those other zones, let's grab that stop, pull it down to break even. And then as the bars come down, break through the next zone. I'm going to keep trailing in case there was a reversal. I'll take what I could get. And let's see. Until we get a green reversal bar, I'm going to stay in this trade and keep dragging that stop down to maximize my profits. And then we're out of that trade just like that. So we will go ahead and watch to see. We'll come right back up to that same retest, that supply zone. And if we get a reversal close to or right off of this zone, we'll get back in for another short. So we've got that zone. Now we're going to go ahead and get back in for another short on that reversal. See how we can run another trade. And we're in. And same thing. I'm going to pull my stop down just above the latest swing high. And then start pulling it down as we start coming down through that demand zone and hopefully through these next zones down through here. And as we come down, you can see I'm pulling my stop down and I'm just going to continue to trail it down. Let's see if we can't get a nice run. Beautiful. That's what I love about these bars. It shows you a nice trend as it's moving down. Now we might get a reversal at any time, but if not, bar by bar, I'm going to keep pulling that stop down. And we breached those zones. We're still confident that we're going to continue short. Let's see how far down we can go, perhaps even to these next zones. And let's see, might have a reversal coming, so I gave myself a little bit more breathing room. Second bar back, even the third. And no, so we're good. Let's pull that stop way back down again. And as we continue down, we're going to grab all the profits on this trade. Pull that take profit further down to give myself enough room. And look how beautifully we got this entire run just by following the bars, okay? So the best breathing room is actually 3 bars back. If you want to keep it tight, by all means, once we get this far down, I don't mind being just 1 bar back or so. And now as we get close to a reversal, chances are we're going to get stopped out right here. And we're into this for a few $100s. In just a short time period with so little risk. So that's it. That's all there is to it, traders. Now you can try scalps using Renko bars, following that trend beautifully just at a glance. You can do it in Forex, you can use pairs, you can use currency futures, you can even try using this on the indexes, okay? If you liked this simple Forex strategy, just be sure and hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to turn on notifications. That way you get all of our strategies, not only mine, but all the Ninjacator ambassadors. And if you want to get these and many more indicators then click on the link in the description below to join our Indicator of the Month Club. And then you're going to get a new indicator every single month absolutely free. Good to be with you again, traders. Good trading, and we'll see you the next time.